Hello guys, welcome to Spotara channel. Today I will give you a tutorial how to upload, add or save files to Google Drive on Android. Before that, so you don't miss any of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's to start it. First, you can go to Google Drive application. It's more easier to click it, and then you can click files. After that you can click plus symbol in the button. You can see that you can upload and click the upload of the button, and you can share your photos, videos or document to upload your Google Drive. I choose my image and I choose that one. If I have Wi-Fi, it is connect to automatically, but I use the data, so I press the resume. Let's upload one file to your Google Drive. Just wait for a minute, guys. This will take time and uploaded one files. And let's check the files one. Yeah, it's uploaded, and your file is backup to your Google Drive. This is a tutorial how to upload and save files to Google Drive on Android, and I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.